Ever designed a logo in Canva but got stuck with that annoying background? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to remove the background and make your logo look clean and professional, without any complicated tools. Stay tuned, and let's get started. I've prepared 3 logo designs that were previously created on this channel. This tutorial is for those who struggle when downloading their logo design from Canva, only to find that the background is still not transparent. This happens because the shapes used in the design remain and are not removed upon downloading. If you're facing the same issue, stay tuned and watch this video until the end. As you know, since logos created in Canva usually use certain shapes to cover elements, when we download them with a transparent background option checked, the shape itself won't disappear. So here's the trick. First, click Share and then Download as usual. Make sure the file type is PNG. Then, for the transparent background option, you don't need to check it. Just click Download directly. Now, I will try this on the other logo designs as well. Once the logo designs are downloaded, the next step is to upload them back to Canva. I'll upload all 3. You can either add a new page to your existing design canvas or create a new design. Then, insert the uploaded file into a blank design canvas. Next, simply click on the logo and select Remove Background. I'll do this for the other logo designs too. Once done, you'll need to download them again in PNG format. Now, this time, make sure to check the transparent background option, then click Download. And now let's check the result. The shape in the logo design is gone. We now have a logo with a transparent background, right? And that's it. Now you know the best trick to make your Canva logo background truly transparent. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy Canva tips. Got any questions or other Canva struggles? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.